O2O, online to offline. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about O2O commerce. What are the impacts it has on e-commerce and why you should consider integrating your business into this model. O2O is a buzzword created by the e-commerce community for online to offline. O2O commerce, online to offline, goes by the concept of connecting the online digital world to the offline world through the integration of internet-connected devices. Either customers are driven offline based on online information like e-coupons, store locators, or customers are propelled online through call for actions in the offline world, like QR codes and mobile payment systems. It can be summarized as a concept of making the first point of contact online and then driving customers offline via a reservation or financial commitment like paying for pre-booking or order. So how does O2O impact e-commerce? There are many industries out there where customers can't directly make an online buying decision due to the need of first experience and preference to try out the product or service offline. This is where O2O comes in. It has the ability to build up the brand experience and buying process online, then closes the process offline. Another reason why O2O is a profitable concept is because even though large parts of traditional brick-and-mortar retail stores can be replaced by e-commerce, there are still elements to physical shopping that cannot or should not be replicated digitally. However, just because all retailing can't take place online does not necessarily mean that there can't be online elements to shopping. This is why O2O is growing bigger today. It's the potential for integration between e-commerce and physical retail shopping being the core of the O2O movement. You get the best of both worlds. Why should you consider O2O? The key to O2O is that it finds consumers online and brings them into real-world stores. It's a combination of payment model and traffic generator for e-merchants. It is coined as a discovery mechanism for consumers that drives offline purchases. Next up, I'll show you some of the benefits of an O2O business. Having an O2O business helps to build your brand image. Like I mentioned earlier, there are many industries out there where customers won't directly make an online buying decision due to the preference of first experience and to try out the product or service offline. Having an offline store allows your potential customers to see and try your product or service firsthand, and they can make a better purchase decision. O2O helps to increase confidence and trust of your customers in your brand. O2O offers convenient tracking. The important thing about companies like O2O commerce companies is that performance is readily quantifiable, which is one of the tenets of O2O commerce. It is conveniently measurable and monitored since every transaction or reservation booking order happens online. Digital data allows simple management. Offline commerce does not have this luxury, but O2O makes this easy because the transaction happens online, every completed order has tracking code, and it's very convenient for tracking. It is then integrated to the offline world where the whole thing is brokered via intermediaries like OpenTable or SpaFinder. This is proven to be a more profitable and scalable model than selling advertising to local establishments. O2O offers better flexibility. O2O enables customers to order online and control the fulfillment time according to their needs. Order fulfillment is defined as the steps involved in receiving, processing, and delivering orders to end customers. O2O provides the option to customers if they prefer to pick up their package at predefined locations at any time with the use of security codes or verifications. This increases the flexibility and wider options to customers to customize their fulfillment process according to their needs.